So with all of that, and we come back, the key here becomes the user experience. So when we look back at that slide earlier, what's going to unify all of these different systems? It's going to be the user experience. It's going to be setting up the same authentication across all of our systems, setting up the same administration policies, setting up the same storage policies, and creating that unified user experience. And I get asked a lot to compare and contrast Lync to other telephony systems, Cisco or Avaya or Nortel or whatever. And the biggest thing I say, and the biggest difference is, Microsoft builds their software from the user back. Just about everybody else builds it from the server room forward. Now, you can argue which one's better, and I'm not even here to pass judgment on that and say which one is better versus the other. What I am saying is you have to make a decision as to which one you value more. Do you value that user experience and that unified experience, or do you value the box on the back end, right? Because let's be honest, Lync is Microsoft server based. It's not that it's more complicated or more difficult to run on the back end, but it's not a black box that you just buy either, right? It is a Microsoft server based service. And if you want just a black box that you buy and install, well, then Lync isn't for you, and that's okay, right? But if you're looking for that user experience and that unified communications and collaboration that's integrated with the rest of what you do, that's where Lync comes into play. So again, take all of that, unify it, and then add the excellent piece, compliance. Right? And that's the big reason for bringing all of this in-house is compliance. SOX, HIPAA, JTIL, whatever compliance you have to maintain today, that's the reason to unify it.